Another big story tonight, a debate brewing over a law that bans any classes on AIDS, HIV, or anything that promotes a homosexual lifestyle in a positive light.
Arizona's new education chief wants the law repealed. Superintendent of Public Schools Kathy Hoffman introduced the idea at her recent State of Education speech. Team 12's Mike Gonzalez spoke to Hoffman about why she's pushing for the repeal.
He also spoke to one group that says repealing the law is completely unnecessary.
Where the money should be going.
Among subjects like teacher pay raises and smaller classroom sizes, the issue that may have garnished the biggest attention during Kathy Hoffman's first State of Education speech is repealing a 1990 law that banned putting a homosexual lifestyle in a positive light in the classroom. Hoffman told me getting rid of this law is long overdue.
It's anti-LGBTQ. It's saying that in no way should teachers promote this lifestyle as in any way, not just for HIV.
The law in question lets schools teach about HIV and AIDS, but there's a caveat. It must be medically accurate, appropriate for the grade. It also makes it illegal to promote any kind of homosexual lifestyle. Kathy Herod from the Center for Arizona Policy says repealing the law isn't necessary because it only applies when there's specific types of instruction.
The law only applies if there's classroom instruction on AIDS.
Right.
And classroom instruction on AIDS has to be medically accurate, age appropriate.
Talk about the data a little bit and how important that is.
It's really important that we're using data to drive those decisions and that we have research-based curriculum, and the no promo homo law is not what's recommended by a health professional.
As for Kathy Herod, she's sticking to her guns that changing the law is a waste of time and taxpayer dollars.
Educating students on AIDS should be fact-based, not a forum for discussing sexuality or lifestyles.
To me, the most important thing about this is for kids to feel safe and welcome in the schools.
In Phoenix, I'm Mike Gonzalez, 12 News.
And currently the bill has only been introduced and has not had a committee hearing yet, so there's still a long way to go before the law is repealed.